He's about to teach me how to do a traditional Zulu dance. Ah, you've never seen an Umlungu in Umlazi, one of the biggest townships in the whole of KZN. We about to change that. Let's go! To the biggest Zulu township in South Africa, a place once known as the hijack capital of KZN. A township so big that the cars have their own registration plates. But things have changed. Once a place that even the cops were afraid to go into, but now a super lively place filled with hustlers, good people, smiles, and some of the best shisanyamas you'll ever find. And that's what I'm here to show you guys today. But before that, he's about to teach me how to do a traditional Zulu dance. I had to learn the traditional Zulu dance. I feel like I have a lot to learn. Wait, keep showing me. Slowly but surely, I got the hang of it. Okay, so it's 1 step, 2, and...